So today we are going to start a new library discussion, that is pandas. So in the last session we complete the numpy and like what is the use of numpy. So numpy, using a numpy we create an array and in which we give some data and we do some mathematical operation like calculate the mean, median, standard deviation, and those things, like if you want to like multiply two metrics that we have done, if you want to do addition, subtraction. Okay, so these things we done and we will see numpy in the detail also, and panda also we will see when we will move step by step. So today just the starting of pandas. Okay, so if you are working in the Google Colab, so here what is that, so if you are working on the Google Colab, so Google Colab by default give you the pandas library. If you are working on the Visual Studio or any other like IDE, so what you can do, you can give that command pip install pandas. In the Google Colab it's already installed, so you can say requirement already satisfied. This message I am getting, so pandas already installed here. Okay, so just I will import that, import pandas as pd. I will compile that. So now I can use pd. So I will create a like sales data. Okay, so I will create a list, suppose first year 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000. I will run that. I am showing you step by step, just so just you need to focus here. So in the PD we have one method, that is series. Okay, so we will, in the pandas we will focus on the two data structure. First is what? First is series. Series is useful to store the like one dimension data, and second is the data frame. So data frame is used to store the multi-dimension array like data. Okay, not array, I should say here like multi-dimension data. Okay, so here what I will give, I will give the sales data, and of course if I'm calling that method, so it will return something, so I will store that in a result. Okay, and if I will print the result here, so you will see the output. So this is my output, and it is store the data from 0 to n minus 1. N minus 1 means length minus 1. Okay, so here the length is 1 2 3 4, so total index is from 0 to 3. Now suppose what you want to give, you want to replace those index and you want to give your index only. So sales data, and I will create new list here, and I will store here the year. Okay, so 2021, 2022, 23 and 24, this year. Okay, and here what I will give, I will give year as a index. Okay, so index I will provide year. Now just run that and run this, you can see. Okay, the effect you can see here, if you will not provide index equal to, so by default also it will take. Okay, and you want to see the type, so if you want to see the type of any variable, so we have one method, that is type. Okay, so here you can see that type is series. Okay, now if suppose I want to create a dictionary, so d1. In the dictionary, as you already know, dictionary is a data structure in Python that store the data in a key or value pair. So suppose I am storing that data. This is my key 2021. Okay, and here what I will give, I will provide value, like the data will be 1000. Okay, and the next year 2000, then 2023 3000, then 2024. I need to give like that 5000. Okay, so this is my dictionary that I will create, and now I will call Panda series again, and here I will pass d1, and the result I will store result 1. Okay, now I will print result 1. So firstly I will run this, then this, and then okay, what's the issue? It's capital S. Okay, now I will print result. So here I have not provided the index, but you can see the effect of the dictionary. It automatically takes the index and the data. Okay, so this is like how you can give some values. Okay, now you can create a data frame also. Okay, now what is data frame? Data frame is a combination of series. Okay, it's a multi-dimension. What is series? Series is a single dimension, means one dimension, and data frame is a multi-dimension data structure. So how a multi-dimension create? Multi-dimension means more than one dimension. So multi-dimension creates with the more than one series, because series is a single dimension. So how you can create that? You just need to create, and you just need to use pd. If you will write here and you will press control and space, and you will give data frame. So here you can see this is a data frame. Okay, and now if you will hover here, so it will give you these suggestions also. Okay, and here it will show you example. Okay, so here you can see some examples. Okay, and this is the example of data frame, but the data frame, of course, like I will discuss in the separate class. For now, just focus on the series. What is series? Series is used to store the single dimension data, and here I have stored that, and you can provide the index also. How you can provide that? Second parameter is for index. If you have dictionary, so you do not need to provide index also. Series is a smart method, and it will take index as a dictionary key. And now we will create some data frame also, and I will show you some good example that is really used in the real world. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you, and like the video, and please, if you are watching that video and it's creating, like it's giving you help to achieve your data science